Welcome everyone. You are currently floating in the middle of a massive engineering fix-it job. To your front stands the world's only rotating boat lift, the Falkirk wheel. But why is it here? Well, back in the 1930s, the link between the Forth and Clyde Canal, down here, and the Union Canal, up there, was severed. We used to have a flight of 11 locks to bridge the 35-meter height difference. It took nearly a full day to navigate them. By the time they were dismantled, we had a massive, missing link in Scotland's waterway. When the Millennium Link project kicked off, they didn't just want to put the locks back. They wanted a landmark, and boy, did they get one. 2 o'clock to 4:30, the design, from Lego to landmarks. The boat enters the gondola. The gates begin to close. Guide, notice the shape of the arms. Does it look familiar? Some say it's a double-headed Celtic axe, others see the ribcage of a whale. The original concept was actually sketched out using Lego by the design team. They needed something that could lift 600 tons of water and boat while using as little power as possible. The secret of the weight, here is the mind-blowing part, no matter how many boats are in this gondola, the weight is always the same. Thanks to Archimedes' principle, a boat displaces its own weight in water. So, if a 20-ton boat enters, 20 tons of water spills out. This means the wheel is always perfectly balanced. Because it's so balanced, it uses only 1.5 kilowatt-hours of energy to turn, roughly the same as boiling 8 kettles of water. 4:30 to 7:30, the lift, physics in motion. The wheel begins to rotate. This is the hero moment. Guide, we are now airborne. As we rise, look at the gears on the side. This is a simple but brilliant planetary gear system. To keep us level, we use a series of synchronized gears, a large central gear, static and fixed to the spine. Small idler gears, 2 on each arm. Gondola gears, fixed to the ends where we are sitting. As the arms rotate, the idler gears walk around the central gear, ensuring the gondolas stay perfectly horizontal. If they didn't, well, we'd all be going for a very cold, very vertical swim. The stats: total height, 35 meters, roughly 8 double-decker buses. Structure weight, 1,200 tons of steel. Precision: it was built in Derbyshire, dismantled, and hauled here on 35 trucks. It fits together with the precision of a Swiss watch. 7:30 to 9 o'clock, the view from the top. The boat reaches the upper aqueduct. The view opens up over the Kelpies and the Ochil Hills. Guide, take a look out over the horizon. You're now standing, or floating, on the Union Canal. This stretch used to carry coal and lime into the heart of Edinburgh. To your right, on a clear day, you can see the Anthony Gormley sculptures and the industrial heart of Scotland. This isn't just a tourist ride, it's a functioning piece of infrastructure that reconnected the North Sea to the Atlantic Ocean. We have literally bridged the gap between the 18th and 21st centuries in the last 4 minutes. 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, conclusion and safety. The boat prepares to move into the upper canal or begin the descent. Guide, as the gates open and we transition into the aqueduct, take a second to appreciate the sheer Scottishness of this project, bold, slightly over-engineered, and built to last. We hope you enjoyed your flight on the Falkirk wheel. Please stay seated until the doors are fully secured. If you have any questions about the physics or just want to know where the best cake in the visitor center is, I'll be here all day. Next step, would you like me to adjust the tone of this script to be more technical for an engineering group, or perhaps more whimsical for a school field trip?